Got another hay wagon build video for you. 7 foot wide, 14 foot long. It's sawmill lumber. Farmer down the road helped me put it together. Got the running gear from a sale quite a while ago, and finally decided to put the hay wagon together. We shortened the pipe frame in there a couple holes right there and rebolted it, and so from the front axle to the back axle is 9 foot, and here's the tongue. We cut the ring hitch off of there and welded some new metal on there for a pin hitch. It's got the tie rod style tongue here, and as you can see, we put 3 runners down there, a little more support. They're 2x8s. The runner brackets we made homemade, and drilled a hole at the bottom. See if I can point to it right here, so the rainwater wouldn't set in there. And as you can see along the runners there, we used some angle iron and bolted the cross members across there. The cross members are 2x4s, except for the front and the back, and then we got 2 4x4 cross members here in the middle. Just a little extra support. We bolted everything except for the deck itself. We use these carriage bolts pretty much, well, up here around the edges, and machine bolts everywhere else. The deck has put on with 2.5 inch deck screws. Here's the bumper bracket, what you call it, back here. Again, we got the angle iron brackets. The only thing holding it's a floating deck. We didn't bolt the runners to the bolsters. It's the only thing holding it on is this hitch here, this tube hitch here. You take these bolts out and this pipe will slide out if you needed to, but otherwise this is what's kind of holding on the deck. You want your deck to kind of float going over bumps and ditches and such. There's the hitch we put on, tow another trailer. Welded a washer around there, 7/8 hole. What else can we say? On the deck is 1x6s. We got a 2x4 on the edges, so it gives it a little lip on there. Pretty good sized tires. I could always get shorter, smaller ones, but that's it, guys. Yeah, if you're gonna build one, this worked for us. So, but it's hard to find 2 hay wagons the same.